Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto, and today we are going to be working on the junk journal page for March. So if you haven't been around, junk journals have become increasingly popular. It is mainly scrapbooking, but with stuff that's around your house. I know that a lot of people tend to purchase things towards junk journaling. For the most part, my journal is going to be literally what I guess the intention was, which is utilize a whole bunch of stuff around your house that others would deem as junk, and then put it in a creative way on a piece of paper. So for me, I do have a bunch of stuff that has come in the mail, that has been part of envelopes and things like that. That I'm going to use. So I do have some things, and then I do have some stickers that have been around my office for years, so I might use those too. So this came from like packaging from a toy. So we have this. This is from Chewy. It came in a birthday card. We have a birthday card for my nephew, which I kind of messed up and accidentally bought two, and then I filled two out, and then I only sent one of them. So I have this card, but like the inside is filled. So I figured I'm not going to be able to use this, so classifying it as junk. I got this in the mail. I've gotten this in the mail. This is for like business stuff, but I was looking. Oh, this wasn't the one. Okay, I don't care about that. I've gotten this stuff in the mail. I don't think I care about that. This all came from a magazine. From, what is it called? Can't remember. This came from a magazine. It has a bunch of dog stuff. So I might use this in some form. I pulled this out also. This was from the same magazine, for the 5 stars. Maybe I'll use that. And then I thought this was really cute. This is from New York Blood Center. I thought the girl on the bike was cute, and then like the leaves and stuff. So I'm probably going to try to use that as well. So I have a bunch of stuff here already that I'm interested in using. And then I will show you some of the stickers that I've had around for a while. I'm talking literally years. So I have this collection, which I've had for years. I don't really know if I'll be able to utilize this one. I thought maybe I could use the Create Your Own Magic or Manifesting Dreams or something like that. I also have this one. This is from like, God, it's got to be like 2020, 2021, somewhere in that range. Maybe even 2019. I don't really remember. But I was thinking there's clouds on this, and then there was also clouds and stars on this. So maybe I can kind of merge the two styles. And then I have a bunch of letters that I think I could probably use as well. And then I won't be using the habit trackers, but I did just have this like stack around. Oh, it's from Springtime. That was a magazine that was used. And since it is coming up on springtime, I thought that's how I would use it. So let me go ahead. I'm just going to kind of get started and move things around. I'm going to speed you forward through this because I don't typically junk journal, so I'm going to need some creative juices here. So I'm going to work on that and then come back at the end and kind of talk you through how I've done it. Okay, and I think I'm done because I want to keep the label for the junk journal. I kind of wish I would have waited to put that down and put it like after, like had something under it and then put it after, or put some of the screen paper down and like I did down here that kind of fills in some of the holes. But I'm actually really happy with how this went. So basically what I was going for is like after winter and like after the storm of what is going on in the world. I'm a federal employee, so I can't say that much. But after all of that, like like the freedom, goodness, springtime, rejuvenation, right? So that's kind of what I was going for in this, is like kind of manifesting that. So I have like the banners for like celebration. I have the clouds and the rocket for like kind of parachuting us into a new world, and like kind of escaping what we're currently in. I have like the springtime vibes, of like I said, kind of rejuvenation. So like moving us out of the winter period, moving us out of badness and into goodness. So I put so much goodness here. Springtime gets 5 out of 5 stars. We kind of have like the berries, manifesting dreams, right? Dreams to go with the rockets, thriving, obviously the whole idea of this is just like what the world could be. So that's kind of where I was going with this junk journal spread, and really kind of putting it out there and manifesting that into the world. So that's what I've got. And I'm actually really sad. So I kept these 2 dogs from that thing because this is a Newfoundland. My dog is a Newfoundland. And then huskies, my other dog is a husky. So, but like I couldn't find a way to like kind of like I didn't have like any sort of arrow situation that like was like, okay, moving from this to this. So that's what I was gonna use this picture for, is like the starkness and then going into color. I think if I do this in the future, I will keep a 2-page spread for a junk journal, because trying to put all of this in 1 page is really, really tough. But I'm happy how it turned out with all of the layering too. And of course, this was only stuff that I collected basically at the tail end of February, when I decided I was going to do a junk journal, into now, which is mid-March. So this is all the stuff that I've gotten since then that I was able to kind of reuse, repurpose for this spread. So maybe if I do this next month, I'll wait till the end of the month is complete to do the junk journal spread, and I'll collect from like now until the end of March. No, now until the end of April. That way I can do a 2-page junk journal spread. So I think that is my plan here. But I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. I think the layering on the bottom is a lot better than the layering on the top. But the layering on the bottom had more pieces that I could work with like a little bit better, in terms of like being able to rip them a little bit easier, because these are from like the magazine, and just like the size of what I was dealing with. The flag in particular was a bit difficult because it's such a large piece, and I didn't want to take any part out of it, because I was of course not going to take this aspect out of it, and just leave the rainbow, because it is still part of the message, right? So for me, I think I layered a little bit better down here than I did up here, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. So thank you so much for joining me for this junk journaling. Let me know if you've done junk journaling before. I am so interested to see different videos and this type of work expanding, because I am an environmental scientist, so less stuff ending up in the garbage is always better, in my personal opinion. So I like the idea of repurposing and reusing for of course, creative purposes. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.